Good morning, everyone. So today we are packing up. We're leaving the folks' house and we're headed down to the Finger Lakes National Forest. Oh, I know. Excuse me 1 minute. Okay, we're headed to the Finger Lakes National Forest, which is 77 miles, according to Google Maps. 77 miles from where we are right now, just outside of Rochester. It's southeast from here, and it's nestled in between two of the Finger Lakes. I'll show it on a map here so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So what I'm planning to do is go down to this national forest. You know, you can disperse camp for up to 2 weeks, and I'm gonna see how it is. Looking at the satellite view, trying to get an idea. It's very heavily forested. There are ponds and small lakes and creeks kind of throughout. I did speak to the rangers, and they gave me 3 different areas that are popular for dispersed camping. So those are going to be my targets. I'm going to go down and check it out. So we're going to see if it's good for us. And I'm testing my water heater system, the shower tent, the microwave. So these are just some things I'm going to be testing. My plan is after our stay down there, we're going to come back up here to the folks' house and fine-tune, finish a couple last little things that need to be done most likely, and then head on out of town and head west. So that's the plan right now. So we're going to get packed up. Yesterday I did most of the heavy lifting. I do have to roll the bike out and put it on the back of the truck. It rained last night, so I didn't want to put it out yesterday. The weather right now is supposed to be in the low 70s. It's breezy. It's just beautiful out. So great day for, as far as weather goes, for traveling. We're going to stop over and pick up some groceries, and then we're going to get on our way down there. Okay, we're all buttoned up and ready to head out. We're going to swing over and pick up some groceries. So this is traveling position. There's Lefty's new bed. KTM chair. Inside chair. Water, water, water. Everything's buttoned up and ready to go. So countertops are clear. This guy's ready to rock. Okay. just a camera. All right, folks. So we are set up here at the Finger Lakes National Forest. So we got here, and under the recommendation of the forest ranger, they gave me 3 roads that pass through the forest, and they said those are the 3 areas where dispersed camping is most popular. Okay, so we came into the forest at the northernmost point, and we were on one of those 3 roads that they recommended, Potomac Road. So we went on Potomac Road from north to south, and we actually went from the northern border of the forest to the southern border, where we saw the sign and the map confirmed it. We were now leaving the National Forest. So this is not a big place. And on that road, on Potomac Road, there was one camping spot. A pull-off off the side of the road. A little bit of a clearing. It's a very thick canopy here. Very thick. Lot of tree cover. Lot of forest. So, again, on that Potomac Road, there was one possible location to camp. And as we were going down Potomac Road, one of the crossroads was Chicken Coop Road, and that was one of the 3 locations that they said is popular. So when we got to the southern border of the forest, we turned around, started heading back north, got to Chicken Coop Road, which T-boned into Potomac. So we turned right, headed east on Chicken Coop Road to see if it had some camping locations. And we went down Chicken Coop Road maybe a mile, and there were 3 camping spots that we saw. And this third one we actually pulled in and parked. It's a clearing, so we have sunlight hitting the solar panels. It's a clearing, 75 feet in diameter. It's kind of a circular clearing. There's a fire ring in the middle, and there's a couple of trails that head up into the woods coming off of this location. So not the greatest forest for dispersed camping. There's some walking trails that head through, and at those trailheads, I saw them. There's parking spot for about 3 cars. So it's a very small forest. So I'm not super happy. We're going to stay here tonight. But this is not set up for long-term camping here. Excuse me. What the heck are you doing? There's the new carpet. It's really comfortable. And Lefty got a new bed. His other one was, his other one lasted long enough. It was inexpensive, $30. This one was $30. So I knew that, I'm going to buy them and then replace them every 6 to 12 months, depending on how rough they get. The first one there was washable, but getting the stuffing out of it looked like it was just going to be a nightmare. It wasn't like one solid pillow inside of it. It came out like in shredded pieces. I've pulled in here, had a snack. I'm watching Band of Brothers. There is absolutely 0 cell signal in here. That's another, I should have started with that. That is, it just adds a level of complexity to everything. I'm trying to text with my daughter. She's asking me what's going on, and So really difficult without internet, but I have my Mi box, and I have a hard drive that's got 4 terabytes of movies and TV shows on it, and Band of Brothers is a great series, so I'm like on episode 3 of that. I started watching it a few months ago. Okay, buddy, be a good boy. Lefty's clipped up to the back bumper and just kind of wandering around this area. So anyways, not great. And I knew, I was talking to my mom, because I had gone on the satellite view of this forest to kind of scope it out before we headed down here. And I told my mom, I said, I can't see any camping areas. You know, I can see the roads, and they're marked in the Google map, but I don't see any pull-offs like you would normally see when you look at a camping area with the satellite view. You can see, I mean, you can see tracks from the trucks and campers and stuff, and you can sometimes see them parked in there, you know, depending on when the satellite picture was taken. But when I was looking at this forest, I couldn't see even one pull-off, and I said, okay, it's just because the tree canopy is so thick I can't see them. Well, now I know why I couldn't see them, because there's next to none of them. So this place is more situated, it's more, from what I read, it was developed as a national forest to protect some tree species and the environment, and just the way that this area is developed. So they made it into a national forest to protect it from ever being, you know, developed and strip cut and all that. So, hi brother, what you doing? See, there's the road right there. So, you know, you're supposed to be 50 feet off the roadway. I'm not 50 feet. I'm maybe 25 or 30 feet. The road in here, decent quality, not a lot of washboarding. So we got to this area pretty easily. I'm just disappointed that there's not more kind of developed campsites. Oh my gosh, where is he? Left. Hey, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Where are you? Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. What the heck are you doing? Are you doing? Huh? Why are you barking? Are you hung up on something? Left. Come here. Come here. For a little walk. Let's go. Oh, Lefty. Yes. How'd that feel? Huh? Come on, let's go. I know that knocked a little bit of sense into him, hopefully. we went this morning and we walked that way, and there's actually a walking trail up there with a gate, and you walk out into a field off to the right side. So we went down that a little bit. A lot of cow pies up there, so I don't know, we went about 1/8 of a mile and then turned around. I don't want him loping through a bunch of cow crap. Cool morning. I think the forecast is to be in the low to mid 70s today. Not a cloud in the sky. It's just a beautiful clear morning. It's about 8:30. Okay, so here's another camp spot that's available. This one here, a little bit tough to get into. I don't know if you can pick it up, but this is quite a little dip here. So this is a nice little clearing up in here. There is no sunlight for solar panels. I'm just getting bombarded with bugs right now. Oh dear. Look what I just came across. I do not want him to get that, because as we go out west, I don't want him to remember that he's an attack dog as far as snakes go, because he will get that thing. I don't know what kind it is. It has something in its belly for sure. There's a big lump right there. Yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Huh. I'd say he's probably got a frog or a mouse in his belly. Okay, there you go. That's a big boy. Hi. That's a big